Hey guys, Jen Soto here, and I wanted to tell you about the hottest summer product. Actually, not the hottest, probably the coolest. This is our Cool and Serve collection, and as you can see, it really stacks up. So let me tell you a little bit about it. We've got 5 different types of Cool and Serve products, and what happens is you insert this little insert in here and it keeps your stuff cool. So this is the 2.5 quart this is the 1 quart bowl and a 2.5 quart bowl. And the way it works is with the bowls is they have a lid that creates an airtight seal. Okay, so it creates an airtight seal, and then you have the little insert, and then there is a cooling insert in the inside. I keep these in my freezer so that they are always ready to go. This is perfect if you have like a dip or a salad, like a potato salad or macaroni salad or egg salad or something like that, and you want to take it to the pool, you want to take it to your friend's house, whatever, you don't have to worry about it spoiling. So these are the 2 bowls that are available. Next, we've got our Cool and Serve trays. So we have 2 trays. They come in 2 sizes, the small and the large. So I'll show you the small one first. It's perfect for taco night. If there's just a couple of people at your house, we usually put cheese and tomatoes and lettuce in here for our taco night. It's also perfect to take lunch. You can kind of do it like a bento bowl. Take lunch, take a salad to your office. If you want to have like a more flat tray, you could just put some press and seal or some saran wrap on here to kind of protect this, and then put your salad in here. But this has the insert right here. And cool tip, this insert also fits in this large bowl. So this is, and when you're storing it, when you're gonna serve, the lid goes underneath so you don't have to lose your lid when you're doing like a buffet. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna go with the next one right here before I go to this one because this has a couple of extra features. But this is the 9x13. So think like kind of like an ice cream cake you could do in here. Or if you wanted to just put some, like I'm gonna do a salad. We're going to a barbecue this afternoon and I'm gonna put my salad in here. Layer it. It has 2 inserts in here and they just keep everything cold. This insert goes directly in here so you can put your stuff in, and it will fit cupcakes. So it's nice and tall, so you can put your cupcakes and take them to a birthday party or take them to the pool this summer. So that's that. And the last one I want to show you is our large square Cool and Serve. This is by far the most popular of all the Cool and Serves. And again, the lid stores underneath. It comes with these 2 trays right here. So 2 trays that you can use to separate your stuff out. It's perfect for a charcuterie board or for a fruit tray, all kinds of different things. Again, you can use it for taco night. It's a little bit larger, but these actually, you have another insert that you can use and put in here if you kind of want a 5 tray situation here. So this is sold separately. But here is the super cool thing about these inserts. They're flat on one side, but on the other side, they hold deviled eggs. And they have little wells, so the deviled eggs aren't gonna scoot all over the place while you're in transit. It's just so nice. And if you have these before and you have the green inserts, you can't, or you've lost an insert or something happened, you can actually purchase just the inserts to upgrade yours or get it back on track. So that is our Cool and Serve collection. I love these. They're great for using for parties, for prepping food ahead of time. Sometimes I will prep it and then I will set everything out. Maybe I have a party to go to, especially on Tuesdays. We'll set out the taco night. It'll be all ready when everybody is ready to eat. All right.